Okay, let's get right into it. We're going to tackle a huge question today. What is the real reason our skin ages? I'll give you a hint. The answer isn't in some fancy, expensive jar. Nope. The real culprit, it's probably hiding in your kitchen right now. You know who I'm talking about, right? We all see them. These people in their 50s who honestly look like they haven't aged a day since they were 20. And we usually just assume, it must be pricey cosmetic work or a whole team of experts. But what if their real secret was something way more basic, something any of us could do?
Look, those high-end creams and treatments, they can definitely help on the surface, but they can't stop what's happening on the inside. And there's no cream in the world that can fix a problem that starts with the food you eat.
So what is the big secret? It's not just about good genes. It's all about what they avoid. They are super strict about staying away from refined carbs and processed foods. And this isn't about losing weight. It's about turning off the main switch that causes your skin to age in the first place.
So you're probably wondering, how in the world can a piece of toast or a bowl of pasta give me wrinkles? Well, the process is kind of like what happens when you hold a marshmallow over a fire. It's a chemical reaction. Let's call it the caramelization of your skin.
So when you eat things like bread, pasta, or anything sugary, your body breaks it down super fast, turning it straight into sugar. This floods your bloodstream with a huge rush of sugar molecules that don't really have anywhere useful to go. And here's where the trouble starts. That extra sugar starts getting, well, sticky. It literally gloms onto proteins all over your body, creating these nasty little compounds called advanced glycation end-products, or AGEs for short. A better name for them? Sugar toxins. That's exactly what they are.
Now, the #1 target for these sugar toxins in your skin is collagen. The good stuff, the protein that keeps your skin looking plump and youthful and elastic. When these AGs latch onto your collagen, they make it stiff, rigid, and brittle. That's the caramelization process we were just talking about.
And this makes it so clear, doesn't it? Over here on the left, you've got healthy collagen. It's like a bouncy, flexible support network holding your skin up. But on the right, that collagen has been caramelized by those sugar toxins. It's become hard and broken. It can't bounce back anymore. And that is what directly causes fine lines, wrinkles, and saggy skin.
But wait, this damage isn't just on the surface. The exact same process that's caramelizing your collagen is also fueling a much, much bigger problem throughout your entire body. Think of it like a hidden fire that's speeding up aging everywhere. And this actually has a name: inflammaging.
From a functional medicine point of view, aging is really seen as a disease of inflammation. And that's where this term comes from, inflammaging. It's just a mashup of inflammation and aging. It's this constant, low-level fire simmering inside you that just wears everything down and makes the clock tick faster.
So what's feeding this fire? Well, here are the main culprits. It's those refined carbs we've been talking about, for sure. But it's also all the processed junk, the trans fats, and those unhealthy seed oils that are in almost everything these days. Every time you eat this stuff, you're basically throwing another log on that inflammatory fire.
So yeah, we might first notice the effects in the mirror as a new wrinkle, but the real fight is happening on a microscopic level. The real goal here isn't just about looking good. It's about protecting the health of every single cell in your body from this constant damaging inflammation.
Okay, that was a lot of doom and gloom, but here comes the good news. You have total control over this. You can put out that fire and you can start rebuilding your body from the inside out. And it all begins with what you put on your plate.
Just look at this comparison. It couldn't be more simple. The aging diet on the left, it's packed with things that fuel inflammation. The anti-aging diet on the right replaces all that junk with the actual building blocks your body is craving to heal itself: healthy fats, quality proteins, and tons of leafy greens. You're shifting from a diet that causes damage to one that actively heals your cells. And here are some super simple swaps you can start making, like today. Instead of cooking with those inflammatory seed oils, switch to extra virgin olive oil or even real butter. Throw out those processed, low-fat snacks and grab an avocado or a handful of nuts instead. These healthy fats are absolutely essential for rebuilding your cells and giving your skin that amazing, vibrant glow. Feeling a little overwhelmed by all this? Don't be. You can seriously start to see and feel a huge difference with a really simple 2-week plan. Think of this as your roadmap to putting out the fire and jumpstarting your body's own healing powers. Okay, week 1 is all about breaking the cycle. First, you just stop. No more refined carbs or sugar. Done. Second, you fill up on satisfying healthy fats and proteins instead.
The first thing you'll notice is you're off the blood sugar roller coaster. Your energy stabilizes. You'll actually wake up feeling refreshed, not slamming the snooze button, and that energy lasts all day. Plus, and this is huge, it dramatically improves your sleep. Without those sugar spikes and crashes, your body can finally get into that deep, restorative sleep it needs to repair itself.
Now, in week 2, you're going to build on that amazing energy and great sleep you're having. This week, you eliminate all the factory-made processed stuff. Now that your body's had a week to calm down all that internal inflammation, you're going to start seeing the results on the outside. Your skin will look less puffy, your complexion will be brighter, you'll start to see that healthy glow coming back. This is where it all clicks. You connect how good you feel on the inside with how great you look on the outside.
And that brings us to maybe the most important thing to remember from all of this. Aging is not fate, it is a choice. Look, we can't stop time from passing, but we can have a massive influence on how we age. It's not just about what's in your DNA, it's a direct result of the choices you make every single day.
So I'll leave you with this one simple question to ask yourself tonight. What did your skin eat today? Did you feed it inflammation and sugar, or did you give it the nutrients it needs to rebuild, to repair, and to glow? The choice, as always, is yours. Thanks for tuning in.